In this video, we will show you how to replace your background or blur it on Lifesize. Let's start by opening ManyCam. First, let's connect our webcam. Click on the main video source here and select your webcam among the options. Alright, now let's click on the Chroma Key tab to check out the Virtual Backgrounds feature. Just flip the switch and it will detect your background automatically. Now click on Replace to remove your background. You can choose any of the images available, like the beach, a classroom, or you can add your own images. Next, let's connect ManyCam to the video conferencing solution Lifesize. This will help you ensure you're always ready for your next meeting. So we have Lifesize open here in the Chrome browser and we're logged into our account. Next, you can click on the three dots on the top right corner and access settings. It already opens on the video tab, so all you have to do is select ManyCam as your video source and make sure the quality is set to how you want it to be. And just like that, you'll be ready to join your next meeting on Lifesize with ManyCam. Which means you can use virtual backgrounds, blur, and many more live video tools to make your video conferences better.